Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare niacinamide versus kojic acid for dark spots. We'll explore how each ingredient works to reduce hyperpigmentation and help you decide which might be best for your skin concerns. We'll cover their unique mechanisms, additional skin benefits, and ideal applications. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding to make an informed choice for your skincare routine. Niacinamide, a versatile form of vitamin B3, primarily works by inhibiting the transfer of melanin to skin cells, which helps reduce the appearance of existing dark spots and prevents new ones. It also significantly strengthens the skin's natural barrier, improving hydration and reducing inflammation and redness. This makes it a gentle option, often suitable for sensitive skin, and it can also help minimize the look of pores and regulate oil production. Kojic acid, derived from fungi, works by directly blocking the tyrosinase enzyme, which is crucial for melanin synthesis. This action makes it highly effective at lightening existing dark spots, such as sun damage, age spots, and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from acne. It also provides antioxidant benefits, protecting the skin from free radical damage, and has some antimicrobial properties. Kojic acid is often used in concentrations of 1 to 4%. When choosing, consider niacinamide if you have sensitive skin or seek broader benefits like barrier support, reduced redness, and oil regulation. Kojic acid is a powerful choice for directly targeting stubborn dark spots and significant hyperpigmentation. You can even use both, as they complement each other well, but always introduce new products gradually and perform a patch test to ensure skin tolerance. Consistency is key for visible results with either ingredient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.